How to turn on or turn off continue apps on other devices on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in here, we go down and then tap on connected devices. Then tap on continue apps on other devices. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now you can tap on the left hand side panel for more information. And it said here, pick up where you left off on other devices, sign into your Samsung account. Just tap the icon that appears on the recent screen on your other devices. And it said here, supported apps are Samsung Internet and Samsung Notes. You can also copy text, images, files, and videos on your phone, tablet, or computer, then paste on one of your other devices. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen.